Hi, my name is Nestor Acevedo. I belong of the Industrial Engineering program. This time I will explain the problem lack of information on the cost of production, its cause, effects, and recommendation. Lack of information on production costs. Cause ignorance about the indirect of the production process. Lack lack of knowledge of the value of similar products or services in the market, lack of records, monitoring, and control of expense in the production process. Effects: incorrect valuation of service, ignorance about the true cost of product, negative impacts on income margins. Recommendation: train company employers to apply the cost method, seek appropriation appropriations of the method of the particular company. Company must promote improve process optimizing cost. Thank you. Not knowing the production cost of product or service directly affects the profitability of a business in intangible goods did more delicate, since it must take in account what it costs to make, then add the impact of the product on the market.